Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my third project for Kitaholic Kits for the month of February. Oh yeah, it's February. I am actually scrap lifting myself here. I did a grid style layout using lots of pattern papers for Adelie's baby album, and I loved it so much I wanted to do a very similar layout using these beautiful papers that we got in the kit this month. So I cut a whole bunch of these squares into 3.5 by 3.5 inches, and I'm matting my photo, as you can see, and now I'm just taking these and I'm going to distress the edges of all of these squares, which took a long time, but I was watching Avatar: The Last Airbender with Emma and Justin at the time, so it was kind of fun. So I do turn the camera off now, hop off, and then I will show you all my beautiful distressed papers to create some lovely texture. And with the magic of editing, it was all glue down. Sorry about that, but it was a bit of fun. You got to keep yourself entertained sometimes, right? So I glued them all down. Not really following any sort of rules, but I just wanted to make sure that I split up the solid colors a bit and that there's some layeredness happening. So I'm sticking these two photos of my daughter on an angle. This whole story is just about how obsessed she has suddenly become with trolls. These school holidays, honestly, she's just like immediately. We tried to show her the movie about a year ago and she just did not like it. She refused to watch it, but now she's just obsessed with it, and she's just wearing this Trolls shirt in every single layout and basically in every photo that I have of her in December. Now, I struggle with this title. I wanted to do Happy Troll, and then I thought, oh, but there's darkness in the photos. So I'm going to bring in this black thicker set, and I'm going to call it Happy Troll Time. But then when I put in the black, I thought it was too much black. So I'm like, no, I'm going to take off the happy that I've already put down and I'm going to replace that with the dark as well. So it does say Happy Troll Time, but it is dark. Then I went away from this layout after that was done, because when you have a newborn, you are constantly being called away. And as I was feeding baby, I thought, it's too much black. And so I actually end up taking away the time, and it's just called Happy Troll, which is annoying because I could have just said Happy Troll with the original color, but whatever, it happens. So I took off the time, and now it says Happy Troll. It looks fine, it's been a process. Because of all that dimension in the background, I am matting my little journaling area, which is basically just 2 tags. I am matting that on a very thin chipboard. So this chipboard you can actually just cut on like a paper cutter. It's very thin, but it just creates a bit of stability. So when I add journaling down the track, it's not too difficult to add the journaling on top of that dimension. Adding through this particular tag some twine and turning it into a little ribbon. And then, because I've got to have some texture, obviously, and there's not enough on this page, and then I'm creating a little bit of a fake top of the tag there as well. This part I sped up pretty quickly for you. This is just me looking through and finding some flowers to use. I am using mostly the pre-made clusters. Sorry, my dog started barking, so I had to cut that off. But I'm using mostly the pre-made clusters on this layout because they are so pretty and pre-made. I'm creating... Oh, she started barking again. Sorry about that. I'm not going to re-record this bit. I'm adding some stickers and some... I'm basically going through the sticker book, taking these little flower stickers because they match the flowers in Poppy's hair. I don't know if you watch Troll, but she's like notoriously like very happy and she's got flowers in her hair. So these flowers match the flowers in her hair, and I was like, yes, I'm using them on the layout. And then I'm just adding some of these holographic stars because you cannot have enough holographic stars. And basically this whole movie is just about rainbows, and so this was the perfect kit to use to document Emila's love for these movies. And the reason she loves it, I think, is just because they're so happy, and she's so happy, and it's just really sweet. Anyway, I am adding a tiny little word sticker where the rest of my title would have been. And then I'm adding my journaling, and with that, my layout is done. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. I will see you all next week for another Kitaholic Kids Design Team layout. Bye!